Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our next question, that is question number 2. So our question number 2 is factorize each of the following. First part is 4p square minus 9q square. So first is your 4p square minus 9q square. So you have to remember the formula. A square minus b square is your a plus b into a minus b. So here this 4p square can be written as, you can write it as 2p whole square, because the value of this 2p whole square is, the square of 2 is 4, the square of p is p square, that is your 4p square, minus this 9q square can be written as, that is 3q whole square. So because the value of this 3q whole square is your 3 square is 9, the square of q is your q square. So this is your a square minus b square. It means this is your a square minus b square, which means the value of a is your 2p, the value of b is your 3q. So you know that a square minus b square value is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So the value of 2p square minus 3q square can be written as a. What is a? A is your 2p and b is your 3q, and this a is your 2p minus 3q. So that is your required answer, 2p plus 3q, 2p minus 3q. So that is your required answer. So answer is 2p minus 3q and 2p plus 3q. Second part is your 63a square minus 112 b square. Next is your 63a square minus 112 b square. So we will do the next part. 63a square minus 112 b square. So first of all we will take the common. Here the common term in between the both the term is 7. 7 9 the 63, that is 9a square, minus 7 1 the 7, 7 6 the 42. So this is your term after taking, this is your 16b square after taking 7 to be common. You can also write this as 63 can be written as your 3 2 1, that is 7 3 3 1. You can also represent this as 63 3 into 7 into 3 a square minus, and this 112 can be written as 2 5 6 2 28 2 14 2 7 7 1. So this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 b square. It means the value of this 7 is common in both. So you will take this 7 to be outside, and inside term is 3 into 3 is 9 a square, and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is your 16 b square. Now you will represent this 9a square to be 3a whole square, and this 16b square to be 4b whole square, because the value of 3a whole square is your 9a square, the value of 4b whole square is your 16b square. So this is your required formula, that is a square minus b square. So you know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So what is the value of a? The value of a is 3a and the value of b is 4b. So a plus b is your 3a plus 4b, and a minus b is your 3a minus 4b. So that is your required answer, that is 7 3a plus 4b 3a minus 4b. That is your required answer. So next is your third part, that is 49x square minus 36. So 49x square minus 36. So this can be written as 7x whole square, this can be written as 6 whole square. So a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So this is the formula for a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So that is your required answer. So this is your required answer, that is 7x plus 6, 7x minus 6. In the fourth part, you will take the common term. Here the common term is your 16x5 minus 144x square. So you can write this 16 to be 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So you can write this 16 to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x square minus this 144 you can write 2, 72, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So you can write 4 times this 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 into x square. So what is common in both the terms? Here the term common in both the terms is your these two 4 and this x square, and second here these two 4s, these 4 2's and this x square. So you will take this common, so you will obtain 2 into 2 4, 4 to the 8, that is you will take 8 to the 16, sorry 16 x square to be common. Inside term is your, here nothing will remaining, so inside term is 1 and here the term is 9. So on putting this value you will obtain the value to be 16x, sorry the power of this x is 5, the power of this x is 5, so the remaining term is your x cube. So the remaining term is your x cube. Here the power of this is your 5, so the remaining term is your, and the power of second term is x raised to power 3. Second term is also x raised to power 3. So you will take x raised to power 3 to be common.